Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the USB-C port supports video output, display port alt mode, because not all USB-C ports carry a signal. Once confirmed, plug the HDMI cable into the adapter, then attach the adapter to your laptop or phone. Make sure both devices are powered on and awake, and set your source device's display settings to allow external output. This first step ensures a signal path exists and prevents wasted time swapping cables or adapters that won't work. Once the adapter is connected and the external screen shows a signal, you need to configure the display. On your computer or device, open Display Settings and choose the HDMI output, then pick Mirror or Extend depending on your workflow. Adjust resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor. This avoids scaling issues and lag. If color or overscan looks off, tweak scaling and position. Make sure audio output switches to HDMI if you want sound through the external display. To finish, confirm all connections are seated firmly and cables are straight. A loose plug often causes intermittent loss. If you still don't see output, restart both devices and reselect the HDMI input on the display. If problems persist, try a different HDMI cable or USB-C port, because the adapter or port may lack video support. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the adapter supports the resolution and refresh rate you set. Mismatch, there is the most.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.